Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open WhatsApp and go straight to Settings Chats. On iPhone, turn off Save to Camera Roll so new photos and videos won't drop into your Photos app. Once done, go to Settings Data and Storage and disable auto-download for photos, audio, videos, and documents on Wi-Fi, mobile, and roaming so nothing is fetched automatically. These two changes stop the majority of automatic saves and give you immediate control over incoming media. Next, handle exceptions by adjusting per chat options. You should open busy chats or groups, tap the contact or group name, and disable Save to Camera Roll, iPhone, or media visibility, Android, so media from that conversation won't appear in your gallery. Then return to Data and Storage and set photos, videos, and documents to Never for mobile, Wi-Fi, and roaming. This ensures nothing downloads automatically under any network condition. Make sure to repeat for important groups that previously flooded your storage. Finish by verifying and cleaning up. Send yourself a test image and confirm it does not appear in your gallery. If it does, double-check the previous toggles. Remove already saved media from photos or gallery and use a file manager to delete WhatsApp media folders if needed. If media continues to save unexpectedly, check device-level backups like Google Photos or iCloud that might be re-importing files, clear the WhatsApp cache, and make sure the app is updated. That single troubleshooting step fixes most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.